After coughing up all this soot from running so rich, she's finally running. AFR is sitting about 14 at idle, and we're doing the auto tune as we're driving down the road with the laptop plugged in. It's pretty neat little program. So we just got it plugged in here, and as you drive along you can see all the changes that it makes down here. This is a new tune, so haven't changed much here, but anyway, so I just have a target air fuel ratio table here that I have set up, and as I drive around it changes the volumetric efficiency to best match what I desire out of the car. So here's what it looks like. There you go. So those are my tables for the volumetric efficiency.